Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Gemini to Make. Calm. We'll start by understanding why this integration is so powerful for automation. Then, I'll guide you through the essential first step, obtaining your Gemini API key. Finally, we'll cover how to begin building a new scenario within Make. Calm to bring these two platforms together. Let's dive in and unlock new automation possibilities. To get started, you'll need a Gemini API key. Head over to Google AI Studio, where you can easily generate a new key for free. Once created, make sure to copy this unique key and store it in a secure location. This key acts as your credential, allowing Make. Calm to communicate with Gemini. Always safeguard your API key to prevent unauthorized access and monitor its usage in AI Studio. Now, let's move to Make. Calm. Create a brand new scenario and add your first module. Search for Google AI Gemini and select it. You'll then be prompted to create a connection. Paste the API key you copied from Google AI Studio into the designated field. Once connected, you can configure the Gemini module, choosing actions like Create a Completion and setting up your prompts. With your scenario built, it's time to test it. Run your Make. Calm scenario to see the Gemini integration in action. Carefully review the output and make any necessary adjustments to your prompts or module settings to achieve your desired results. This iterative process ensures your automation works perfectly. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.